You can install any Odoo app in under 2 minutes. Discover the exact click-by-click process to get it done. We'll quickly cover navigating to the Apps menu, selecting your desired app, and confirming the installation. Follow these 5 simple steps. So first, navigate to the home page, your starting point for everything. Then click on Apps to get to the list of available apps. Now browse through and choose the app you want, then click Install on it. Go ahead and click Confirm to move forward with the installation. Just wait for it to finish installing, and that's the whole process. You're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.